Have you ever felt like someone important in your life simply gave up on you too soon? Today, the angels want to reveal a truth that is about to come to light, a truth that could change everything. That person who once occupied your thoughts, your heart, and maybe even your future plans, is deeply regretting letting you go. But the most surprising part isn't the regret itself. It's what they are about to do with that feeling, and how it could break a silence that has weighed heavily on your chest. Maybe you've tried to move on, tried to convince yourself that it was for the best. But deep down, there was still a part of you hoping for a sign, a gesture, a word, an explanation. And that is exactly what is on the horizon. This person, who may have left your life without explanations, or who went silent when you needed them the most, is now being guided by a greater force. The angels show that their heart is restless. There's a whirlwind of emotions they can no longer control. And at the center of that storm is you. They have realized that time has not erased what they feel. That silence has not brought peace. That distance has not diminished your significance. On the contrary, all of this has only served to highlight how truly irreplaceable you were, and still are. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Try to remember the last conversation you had. Was there something left unspoken? Was there a truth avoided? Because the angels indicate that this person is revisiting that very moment, going over every detail, and understanding that, in letting you go, they also left a part of themselves behind. It's as if a curtain is finally being lifted, as if they are seeing clearly everything they once chose to ignore. And do you know what touched her heart the most? The way you handled everything. Your dignity. Your courage to move forward, even with a hurt heart. The serenity with which you chose self-love instead of begging for scraps. That did not go unnoticed. In fact, it's echoing within her even now. The angels are showing that she is about to take an unexpected action. Something that may surprise you. It could come through a message, a call, or even an unexpected reunion. But it won't be something superficial. It will be a gesture filled with truth, emotion, and above all, regret. She wants to tell you that she regrets it. That she underestimated you. That she didn't know how to handle her own feelings and ended up hurting the one who mattered most. But before that happens, the angels want you to prepare your heart. They don't want you to enter into another cycle of pain. They don't want you to get lost in memories or illusions of the past. They want you to know that you have the right to choose. The right to hear this person and still say no. Or if it comes to that, to open a new door, but with awareness, clarity, and self-love first. This isn't just a return. It's a moment of power. Of reconnecting with your truth. You are no longer the same person who was left behind. You have grown. You have healed. You have strengthened. And now, this person is realizing that with an intensity they can't even explain. But the question remains, when she knocks on your door again, what will you do? The angels will continue to guide you on this journey. And what is to come may bring answers you have waited a long time for. There is a force that connects us to the people who resonate deeply with our souls. Even if they try to distance themselves. Even if life places distances, noise, or silences in the way. And that force is at work now. The angels show that the person who once turned their back, who chose to remain silent or simply follow a different path, is now being confronted with something unexpected, the pain of real absence. Not just physical absence, but the absence of your energy, your presence, your light. It's as if they are walking through a world where everything has lost its color, where the days continue, but the meaning has faded. And the realization is sinking in, perhaps too late, that letting you go was one of the biggest mistakes of their life. This person is undergoing a profound process of self-questioning. They've started to wonder why they repeat certain patterns. Why they sabotage what is good. Why they feel fear just when they meet someone who awakens something so genuine. And in the answers they find, there you are. The image of your face. The memory of your voice. The feeling of your care, your presence that embraced without demanding anything, but offered everything. You were to them a mirror and a beacon. And now, without your light, they see themselves lost in their own darkness. The angels reveal that this person has been trying to disguise their feelings. Social media posts, forced smiles, empty commitments. All of these are attempts to fill what, deep down, they know only you could fill. They're trying to forget you, but they're failing. Because you can't forget what was real. You can't erase what was lived with the soul. And at this moment, something is shifting inside them. It's a sincere desire to redeem themselves. To show you that they have learned. That they have grown. That they are willing to do things differently. But along with this desire, comes the fear that it might be too late. The fear that you may no longer want to listen. That silence has become a wall, not a bridge. This tension is building inside them. And the more time passes, the more they feel the need to do something. To say something. To show that there's still a chance. The angels say she is gathering the courage to reach out to you. That she has been rehearsing words, reviewing old conversations, trying to find a way for a fresh start. She vividly recalls the good moments, the carefree laughter in simple conversations, the understanding in subtle gestures, the silent gaze that spoke volumes. She even misses the small disagreements, because even in those clashes, there was a connection, there was life. But she also remembers the moment when everything changed. Perhaps from a harsh word, a silent distance, or an action that hurt. And it's precisely that moment that now hurts the most. Because she realizes it was there that you began to fade from her life. Not out of a lack of love, but because of an abundance of pain. She fears hearing that you've moved on. That you feel nothing anymore. That you found someone who treats you with a care she didn't know how to provide. And this fear has immobilized her steps. But a spiritual movement is happening. The angels are whispering in her ear, showing her that life is made of cycles, and that certain encounters are too precious to be discarded out of pride. They are prompting her to look within, to re-evaluate beliefs, to let down her defenses, and to allow herself to be vulnerable. This person is slowly shedding their armor, and what remains beneath it is someone full of regret and love. But the angels also ask for discernment from you, because forgiveness is not an obligation, and a new beginning is only worth it if it comes with truth, action, and consistency. So do not rush. Observe. Listen to your heart. And remember, her desire to return does not mean you have to open the door. It simply means that, in some way, you were and still are unforgettable. And that, dear soul, speaks volumes about who you are. Sometimes, the greatest transformation happens in silence. When no one is watching. When the eyes are closed, but the heart is wide open. It's exactly in this moment that this person finds themselves now, in a silence full of meaning, where regret has finally found space to blossom. The angels reveal that this person is enduring long nights, filled with memories that refuse to fade away. They recall the sound of your laughter, the way you looked into their eyes as if seeing beyond the masks. They remember the lightness you brought, and the internal chaos that started to exist when you stepped away. And don't think that this absence went unnoticed. They tried to fill the void with distractions. They tried to convince themselves that they made the right choice. But the angels show that every attempt was in vain. Because what you both had was rare. It was real. And only now, with a heart wounded by longing, can they see this clearly. There's a restlessness growing inside of them. It's no longer about pride, or about who was right or wrong. It's about realizing in the depths of the soul that you were a gift, and that, out of fear or immaturity, they let that gift slip away. The angels show scenes from this person's routine, moments when they find themselves frozen in front of a memory, or when they think about writing and delete everything, when they hear a song that reminds them of you, and their eyes fill with tears before they even understand why. Yes, the regret is real. But what comes with it is even more powerful. They are beginning to accept that they need to change. Not just to try to win you back, but because your absence has exposed everything that needs to be healed within them. The traumas, the limiting beliefs, the wounds they've always hidden behind excuses. And this awakening is intense. The angels say that you were the catalyst for a significant spiritual shift. Your energy, your presence, your love. All of this acted like a mirror that forced this person to truly confront themselves. And now, they are trying to find a way to do things differently. But there is something they deeply fear, that you have stopped feeling. They wonder every day if you still think about them, if there is still room for one more chance. And even though they fear the answer, they feel they need to take the risk. Because living without you has been more painful than facing any rejection. The angels show that this love is not ordinary. It is a love that transcends barriers, that has conquered time, that still beats even when everything around seems finished. This person misses even the things you never experienced together. The unfulfilled plans. The places you imagined visiting together. The dreams that remained just wishes. They miss the future you could have built. And this nostalgia has opened their heart to forgiveness, to reconciliation, to vulnerability. They know you have every right to move on. But they also know that if there is a chance, however small, to experience this love in a more mature, more conscious, more genuine way, they are willing to try. Dear soul, the angels are preparing this reunion. And it might happen in an unexpected way, a message sent on impulse, an accidental encounter, or even an apology that comes out of nowhere, but has actually been orchestrated by the universe. And when that happens, you will realize, the silence was not empty. It was gestation. A new time was being constructed. A new perspective. A new opportunity. But now comes the most important part. You have changed too. You are no longer the woman who waited for answers. The one who accepted less than she deserved. Who confused attention with love. Today, you know your worth. And it is with this newfound awareness that you will decide whether this story deserves a new chapter, or if it should be closed with gratitude and peace. Either way, what comes next will be liberating. The angels assure, the truth is coming to light. And when it arrives, you will know exactly what to do. Trust your heart. It is being guided. Dear soul, you have made it this far because something within you still feels, still beats, still believes that certain bonds are stronger than time, pride, or past mistakes. And the angels confirm, you are not wrong. What you experienced was not a coincidence. It was a meeting. It was a mission. It was a calling.
And as painful as it was, as difficult silences surrounded you, know that all of this had a purpose. The distance was not the end. It was a pause. A necessary space for both of you to truly recognize each other, no longer in the illusion of an idealized love, but in the reality of a love that matures. The truth is that this person never stopped feeling. They just didn't know how to cope with the intensity of what they felt. They grew up in environments where love was confusing, where vulnerability was weakness, where opening the heart was dangerous. And when they met you, everything changed. You brought a light they did not know how to welcome. And that scared them more than they were ready to admit. Now, they are being called to grow, to mature, to understand that love is not control, it is not escape, it is not an empty promise. Love is presence. It is construction. It is a daily choice. The angels show that they are realizing this, not because someone told them, but because life is teaching them. Through longing. Through loneliness. Through the echo of your name within their heart. And here's something that maybe no one has ever told you. Sometimes, the most confused heart is the one that loves the deepest. But fear speaks loudly. The pain of the past whispers. And the chance to open up again feels frightening. Even so, something inside her refuses to give up. She started to remember you in the little gestures of everyday life. In the way someone touches her arm. In the smell of coffee brewed in the morning. In the song that plays randomly on the car radio. And all of this takes her back to a safe place, the memory of you too. These memories bring not just longing. They also bring hope. The hope that maybe, even after everything, there is still time. Still space. Still destiny. She has been talking to the sky. asking questions, sending silent signals. And the angels have been responding, with intuitions, dreams, and that inexplicable feeling that it's you who completes a part she didn't even know was missing. And you? How is your heart? The angels see your nights of doubt, the moments when you try to be rational, but your heart insists on remembering. They know about your effort to move on, to stay strong, to not give in to nostalgia. And still, there's a part of you that feels that something remains open. That certain words still need to be spoken. That there's an energy between you that hasn't been fully resolved, and maybe it shouldn't be. So, they ask you, take care of your truth. Honor your feelings. Because soon, this person might come to you, and you'll need to know what you want. Not to please, but to respect yourself. She may arrive hesitant, with timid words, with eyes asking for permission. And in that moment, it will be you who has the power to guide the conversation. To welcome or to close it off. To open space or to end a chapter with dignity. But regardless of your choice, know this, you have won. Because you have not lost your essence. You have loved with truth. And that is something that no one can take away from you. Now, the universe is just aligning the final details so that the next chapter arrives with clarity. Whether it will be a reunion or a definitive liberation, that only your heart can decide. And it will know. Because it will be guided by the light of the angels. We have reached the most sacred moment of this journey. That instant when the heart takes a deep breath, and understands that it is ready to move forward, whether in the direction of a reunion or into a new phase where the past no longer hurts. The angels are surrounding you now, in silence, but deeply active. They are witnessing every thought you have, every emotion that has surfaced during this message, and they are whispering something important. You are stronger than you think. You have endured pains that no one saw. You cried in silence, smiled when everything in you wanted to crumble. And still, you continued. You rose again. You rebuilt yourself. And today, you stand before the possibility of writing a new chapter. But now, with awareness. The angels show that the person who left you or hurt you is also going through a defining moment. They are being confronted by their own choices. And they are realizing that their silence had consequences. That their absence also screamed. That you did not wait indefinitely. That life went on, and you moved forward with it. This realization has been painful. But it has also been awakening. They are closer than ever to taking action. To breaking the silence. To standing up. To coming to you, not just to say, I miss you, but to show, through actions, that they have learned, that they have changed, that they now understand the value you hold. And when that moment arrives, the angels want you to be anchored. In peace. In power. With your feet firmly on the ground and your heart lifted by spirituality. Because, yes, this can be a beautiful reconnection. A real chance to experience love with depth and maturity. But it can also be the final act of a play that has already fulfilled its role. Only you can discern what is best for your soul. The angels don't want you to decide based on neediness or the fear of being alone. They want you to choose with clarity, with respect for yourself, with the assurance that you deserve everything you ever dreamed of, and more. If this person comes back, listen. But also speak. Say what you felt. What you learned. What you are no longer willing to accept. Show that true love is not submission, it's partnership. That you don't need promises, but presence. That you don't want pretty words, but consistent actions. And if, by chance, this reconnection doesn't happen, or doesn't come the way you hoped, know that even so, something powerful has occurred inside you. You have seen yourself through different eyes. You have embraced yourself with more tenderness. You have recognized yourself as the woman you always were, strong, sensitive, wise, whole. And that is the true reunion, with yourself. The angels ask that in the coming days, you pay attention to the signs. A number that repeats. A name that appears out of nowhere. An intense dream. An inexplicable feeling. They are trying to show you that everything is shifting, even if you can't see it yet. And before you finish, hold this truth in your heart, you don't need to chase love. Because the love that is yours, knows the way back. And when it arrives, you will be ready, not to beg, not to lose yourself, but to live with dignity, with joy, with reciprocity. The journey doesn't end here. It simply transforms. And you are ready for what comes next.